On August 1st, 2026, OpenAI went on the record with a specific claim. An unreleased version of Astra successfully solved 10 long-standing mathematical problems. The headline achievement in the batch is a definitive answer to a puzzle regarding non-sofic groups. No human mathematician had been able to settle the question either way in the 27 years since it was first posed by Mikhail Gromov. These dense equations represent a level of theoretical complexity that OpenAI leadership claims was processed for a compute cost of just $2,000. OpenAI is framing this efficiency as the start of multi-agent AI, a system where models independently coordinate on complex technical tasks over the course of several days. The announcement immediately split the community. While some mathematicians described the results as significant mathematical progress, skeptics like Elon Musk dismissed the claims as hype. This skepticism is rooted in a documented history of OpenAI misrepresenting its mathematical capabilities in previous public announcements. To determine if Astra represents a genuine leap in machine reasoning, we have to look past the social media posts and examine the raw evidence. In October 2025, OpenAI's leadership claimed a model had cracked 10 unsolved Erdos problems, only to swiftly delete the post after independent researchers realized the AI had simply retrieved existing, published solutions. 7 months later, the company produced a genuine, human-verified disproof of a major math conjecture, showing that their internal models were indeed making progress. However, independent reviewers noted that the model built its argument on prior human work without proper citations, a major breach of academic standards. This history of moving from hallucinations to human-verified results with citation issues leaves many researchers waiting for a clean, third-party audit before accepting this latest batch of proofs. The workflow behind this August announcement was not fully autonomous. OpenAI acknowledges that several outside mathematicians served as critical readers, helping to shape the AI's raw arguments into polished manuscripts. The technology separating this claim from past errors is the Lean certificate. Lean checks mathematical logic line by line. If one step fails, it rejects the proof, preventing hallucinations. Since OpenAI released these proofs to a public GitHub, verification no longer depends on trusting a press release. Since the code compiles, Astra's math is a verifiable technical milestone rather than a simple error. But even with sound logic, independent experts have not yet confirmed if Astra's math is original, or if it once again relies on uncredited human research. This lack of transparency led a coalition of elite universities to publish the Leiden Declaration, warning that AI companies are bypassing peer review and threatening the integrity of human discovery. The declaration is backed by prominent mathematicians, like Fields medalist Terence Tao, who has advocated for clarifying the community's values in the face of automated development. The mathematical community is now focused on protecting the human process of discovery from being absorbed and uncredited by corporate models. While academia pushes for transparency, the timing of the announcement suggests a political motive. Sam Altman spent the days before the release in closed-door meetings at the U.S. Capitol, demonstrating the model to government officials. These meetings took place just as a new executive order went into effect, requiring frontier AI developers to submit their models for government review before public release. There is also competitive pressure. Rival lab DeepMind is already using machine-checkable proofs to solve decades-old problems, creating a verifiable scoreboard for the AI math race. OpenAI has delivered a technical artifact that pushes the boundaries of machine reasoning, but until independent human verification validates the originality of the work, the company still faces the challenge of proving that it can be trusted with the future of science.